our body's function.
Hey, Sarah, what are you reading?
Nothing.
No, so you're reading something, Sarah.
Well, Dr. Snow, I was just reading this food label. Did you know that the FDA is updating our food labels? The current label is over 20 years old.
Wow. Well, I'm a label looker. How about you? What are some of the new changes that we might see?
You will notice an updated design with a larger font size and bolding of certain key items, such as calories and serving size. You will also see a spot for added sugars.
Please share with everyone what added sugar means, Sarah.
It refers to the sugars that are added during the processing of foods and that don't naturally occur in the product.
Well, we need to be aware of the amount of sugar we are consuming, and it is added in things we might not think it is, such as ketchup and salad dressing.
Very true. And the new labels will not include vitamins A and C because most Americans get enough of these vitamins. However, the new labels will include vitamin D and potassium because on average, Americans do not get enough of these nutrients.
And we definitely need them. Please share more about the change in the serving size on the new label.
Well, serving size will now be based on the amount of food or drink that people are actually eating or drinking. For example, the serving size on a can of soup will change from 2.5 servings a can to 1 serving per can because most people eat a can in one sitting. For products larger than a single serving, you will notice 2 columns, one to indicate per serving and the other per container.
Wow, Sarah. They really are making a few changes which will help us all better understand labels.
My pleasure, Dr. Snow. Let's make something fresh and fruity that has no added sugar.
Sounds interesting.
How about some fruitsational salsa?
Salsa with fruit?
Yes. You take 8-ounce seedless grapes, quartered, half-cup mandarin oranges in 1/4-inch pieces, half-cup red pepper diced,
4, 3, 2, 1. Wellsville, let's go.
1/4 cup cilantro chopped, 1/4 cup onion chopped,
1, 2, 3, 4.
and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Combine and mix. And serve with your favorite whole grain tortillas.
You rang?
Try it.
3, 2, 1. Wellsville, let's go.
For this and more sensational recipes, visit wellsville.tv.
1, 2, 3, 4.